Good afternoon, students. So yesterday we had solved question number 12. Yes or no? So let us solve one more question. Okay, question number 12 we had solved yesterday, and today one more question we will take up. So you suggest which question should we take up? Okay, let us solve question number 14. So question number 14, we need to solve using matrix method. So here we go. Question number 14. X minus y plus 2z is 7. Three x 4y minus 5z is minus 5, and 2x minus y 3z.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, is 12. So we are solving question number 14. So solution, I will try to express in ax equal to b. So coordinate or coefficients of x 1, 3, 2, coefficient of y -1, 4, -1, and coefficient of z which is 2, -5, and 3. So this matrix into the variable matrix x, y, z will give me right hand side matrix which is 7, -5, and 12. So this is ax equal to b. A, if we transfer to that side, so x becomes a ka inverse into b. So first of all, our target is to find a ka inverse. Okay. So to find a ka inverse, the first step is to find the determinant of a. So determinant of a find करते हैं 1 into 4 3s are 12, then 5 1s are 5, बीच में minus sign, then it is -1, so I will write +1. Yes, Surendra, good afternoon. So here, if I ignore the column and row, so I get 3 3s are 9, then it is -10, but it will become +10, and +2 into -3 and 8, बीच में minus sign. So it is 12 minus 5, which is 7. Here 9 plus 10, which is 19. And here it is -11. So 19 plus 7, 26, minus 22. So I will get the value as 4. So I hope you are also getting the value as 4. Next step is to find minor of this matrix. To find the minor, for first row already we have found the values. So I will write these values as it is, which is 7, 19 and minus 11. Now look here, this is my matrix. Now in place of 3, if I ignore row and column, I get this minus 3 plus 2. Then in this position of 4, I get extreme numbers. 1 3s are 3, 2 2s are 4, which means minus sign. Then here I will get these 4 numbers, minus 1 plus 2. And in position of 2, these 4 numbers will be there. So it is 5 minus 8. In place of 1, these 4 numbers will be there, minus 5, minus 6. And here in position of 3, I will have 4 plus 3. So my minor matrix is ready. 7, 19, minus 11, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 5 minus 8, minus 3, minus 11, and 7. So I got this minor matrix. You can also confirm. Then next step is cofactor of A. Now in cofactor, these 4 positions will have opposite sign. So it will be 7 minus 19 minus 11 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 plus 11 and 7. Then next step is to find adjoint matrix of A by interchanging row and column. So 7, 1, minus 3, minus 19, minus 1 and 11, then minus 11, minus 1 and 7. So I got adjoint. And then I can find inverse matrix. A ka inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 upon determinant of A was 4 into adjoint. So 7, 1, minus 3, minus 19, minus 1, 11, minus 11, minus 1 and 7. Okay. And now I am almost ready with my answer. I initially had decided this. X is equal to A ka inverse into B. So X is A ka inverse into B. What is matrix X? It is variable matrix. A inverse already I know. 1 by 4, 7, 1, minus 3, minus 19, minus 1, 11, minus 11, minus 1 and 7 into matrix B. So matrix B is right hand side, 7 minus 5 and 12. 7 minus 5 and 12. This matrix is of 3 by 3. This is 3 by 1. So if I multiply, I will get the matrix of 3 by 1. I will write like this: 7 1 minus 3, 7 something, plus 1 something, minus 3 something, minus 19, minus 1 and 11, and minus 11, minus 1 and 7. And here I have 7 minus 5, 12, 7 minus 5, 12, 7 minus 5, 12, 7 minus 5 and 12. 7 sevens are 49. Then it is minus 5. It is minus 36. So 36 minus 36 and minus 5. So it is 41. So it will become 8. Here I have values like this. 19 sevens are 133. So it is minus 133 plus 5. 12 into 10, 120, 132. So 132 minus 133. So it is minus 1 plus 5. So I am getting this value as 4. You can confirm. It is minus 77 plus 5 plus 84. So it is 84 minus 77. So I will get this value as 12. So here I have X, Y, and Z. And here if I divide with 4, so 4 2s are, 4 1s are, 4 3s are. So therefore I can say on comparison, X is 2, Y is 1, Z is 3. अब इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद let's cross check whether our answer is correct or not. It is question number 14. So answer is 213. Yes. So we exactly got this answer. X is 2, Y is 1, and Z is 3. So raise your hand if you are clear about how to solve the equations using matrix method. So it all depends on concentration. You need to practice a lot so that you can solve the question without mistake and you can find the answer. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Other questions you can take it up as a homework. Now here I have question number 15 and 16. So actually both questions are almost same. So we already know how to solve this. Okay, using A inverse, solve the system of these equations. Look here, 2, 3, 1. So question 15, you can take it up. I will solve question number 16. So here we have question number 16. The cost of 4 kilogram onion, 3 kilogram wheat, and 2 kilogram rice is 60. So they have given. So I will write, let price per kilogram of onion be X rupees. Then of wheat be Y rupees. And per kilogram of rice be Z rupees. Now, given that 4 kilo onion 4x plus 3 kilo wheat 3y and 2 kilo rice if we buy, it means 2z, then 60 rupees is the total cost. Similarly, 2 kilo onion, 4 kilo wheat and 6 kilo rice will give you 90 rupees cost. Similarly, 6 kilo onion, 2 kilo wheat, and 3 kilo rice will cost 70. So this information they have given. Now we know how to solve this. 426, 342, 263. So this matrix into the variable matrix should give us right hand side matrix. We need to be able to find value of x, y, and z. X equal to b, a goes to that side. So x is a ka inverse into b. Now let us solve this. Practice हो जाएगी. So here, our first step will be to find whether it is a singular matrix or not. So I will write 4 into something. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. बीच में minus sign. -3 into something. 2 3s are 6. 6 6 are 36. Then plus 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 4 6 are 24. So it is 4 into 0 minus 3 into minus 30 plus 2 into minus 20. So it is 0 plus 90 minus 40. So value is plus 50. Our next step is to find minor of A. Now to find the minor, first row is already ready with me. So that I will write 0 minus 30 minus 20. In place of these 2, I have 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4. In this position, I have 4 3s are 12 minus 6 2s are 12. In this position, I will have 4 2s are 8 minus 6 3s are 18. Here in this position, I have 6 3s are 18 minus 4 2s are 8. Here I have 4 6 are 24 minus 2 2s are 4. And here in this 3 position, I have 4 4s are 16 minus 3 2s are 6. So I will get the minor matrix 0 minus 30 minus 20, 9 minus 4, 5, 0, minus 10, plus 10, 20, and 10. So next is cofactor matrix. So how to find cofactor? Change these 4 position signs. So it will be 0 plus 30 minus 20 minus 5 0 plus 10 10 minus 20 and 10. Then My next step is to find adjoint matrix of A by interchanging row and column. So 0, minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10 and 10. So adjoint matrix मिल गया. And now A का inverse matrix is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint. So 0, minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10 and 10. So we are almost about to complete the question. So I knew that X is equal to A ka inverse into B. Matrix X was having variables X, Y and Z. A ka inverse already I know 1 by 50, 0, minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10 and 10. And matrix B was the right hand side 60, 90, 70. 60, 90, 70. And now we can multiply this 3 by 3, 3 by 1. If I multiply, I get matrix of order 3 by 1. So 0 something, minus 5 something, 10 something, 30 something, 0 something, minus 20 something, then minus 20, 10 and 10. 60, 90, 70, 60, 90, 70, 60, 90 and 70. So basically here 1 by 50 as it is minus 450 plus 700. Here it is 1800 minus 1400. Here minus 1200 plus 900 plus 700. 700 minus 350 or 450. So it is 250. 1800 minus 1400, 400. Here 1600 minus 1200 is also 400. So X, Y and Z equal to, divide with 50. 5 5s are 58s are. So I'm getting the value like 5, 8 and 8. So therefore I can say price per kg of onion is 5, onion, wheat and rice. For wheat 8 and for rice it is 8. Yes, we got this answer. 5, 8 and 8 is the correct answer. So I hope you are clear about this question as well. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one exercise which was comparatively, demanding, so that we will complete. Okay, 4.2 exercise was remaining. So let us go through 4.2. Before that, you had written few rules. 4.2. Okay, here we have 4.2 and there are few properties. So property number 1, let's have some revision. So already I must have written properties somewhere above. So let us revise the properties and then we will solve these questions. Yes, here we have properties. Properties of determinants. So property number 1, if we interchange rows and columns, then value of determinant remains the same. Means if you make transpose of determinant, then also value remains the same. So this is very easy. Okay, already you have written this. Second, if we interchange any two row or any two column, then value of determinant will change only in sign. It means value will remain same, but plus ka minus, minus ka plus ho jata hai if we interchange any two row or any two column. Okay. So this property is also very logical. Now third property says that if any two row or any two column is identical, then if you solve that determinant, ultimately you will get 0. So ये बहुत ही important property है, property number 3. Because sometimes they ask us to without expansion prove that it is 0. तो क्या करना होगा? Any two row or any two column को same बनाना होगा. Then we can say that value is 0. This is the property. So third property is important. Now fourth property is also very logical. You can take something common from any row or any column. For example, if I have 4, 8 and 12, so I can take 4 common. So first row will become like this, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand. This property is very logical. These properties are actually very easy. The only thing is that how to apply is important. Now, this look at property number 5. Any one row or column, if it is expressed as addition or subtraction of two numbers, so we can split the determinant into two parts. For example, if I have 4 and 6, so I can write 2 plus 2, 2 plus 4. So I can have two separate determinants. So it is not very important, but sometimes if it is splitted, you can combine. Look here, another example. I have 4 and 5. So 4 can be written as 7 minus 3. 5 can be written as 9 minus 4. Any number you can write. So you can split this into two determinant. So 7 and 9 later, I will make one determinant, and 3 and 4 later, I can make another determinant. And property 6 is similar to the matrices. In matrices, we know that we can do row or column operations. So in any row, we can add or less some other row or other column. So this is property number 6. So there are basically 6 properties. Okay. Now, property number 7 is not written. So I can request you to write property number 7. You can write like this, property number 7. If any row or column is 0, then value of determinant is 0. For example, if I have 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, whatever it may be. So in this case, value of determinant will be 0, because if we expand using this, obviously 0 into anything, it will have 0. Another example, if I have, let's say like this, 0, 0, 0, then any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, then also here I have 0, the value of determinant will be 0, because expansion of determinant can be through row or column. So 6 वे से हम expand कर सकते हैं. So if any row or any column is 0, so obviously expansion will give you 0. So with this background, we have exercise 4.2. It says that using the property and without expanding, prove that something. So here 4.2, question number 1, I have determinant x, y, z, a, b, c, x plus a, y plus b, and z plus c. This is my left hand side. Now what I will do, look here, x plus a, here you have this. So in column number 1, I can do like this, column number 1 plus 1 time of column number 2. ऐसा चलता है. Okay, like matrix you can do. So column 1 will change, column 2 में कोई change नहीं होगा, it will remain as it is. Column 3 में भी कोई change नहीं होगा, as it is. X plus a, y plus b, z plus c. अब मुझे बताओ column 1 में column 2, 1 time of column 2 if I add, so here what should I write here? X plus a, here it will be y plus b, and here it will be z plus c. Now it can be observed that column number 1 is same as column number 3. देखो column 1 and column 3 same हो गई. Okay, and we have the property, if any two rows or columns are identical, then delta, value of determinant, will become what? 0. Okay, so is equal to right hand side. So we have proved that this is basically 0 without expansion. So I hope you are able to understand how to solve these kinds of question. Raise your hand if this is clear. Okay. Now और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो क्लियर होगा. लेट्स से क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 2 भी करेंगे, उसके बाद 3 में ध्यान देखिए. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86. This is my left hand side. अब देखो रिलेशन समझो. 65, 75, 85, 9 9 जा 81, इसमें 5 एक्स्ट्रा है. 8 9 जा 72, इसमें 3 एक्स्ट्रा है. So what I will do कि कॉलम नंबर 3 जो है उसको मैं चेंज करूंगा एंड कॉलम नंबर 3 में से आई विल माइनस कॉलम नंबर 1. When I say column number 1 means 1 times of column number 1, it is allowed. Any multiple you can use. So column 3 will change. So column 1 as it is, column 2 as it is. In column 3, 65 minus 2 will give you what? 63. Here 72. Here 81. Up. After this, what I will do? 2, 3, 5 is there. 7, 8, 9 is also there. But 63. 9 into what will give you 63?
7.
Then 9 into 8. And 9 nines are 81. So in the next step, look here, I have all these multiples of 9. तो उसको बाहर में common निकाल सकता हूँ because we know this is one of the property. So I have 2, 3, 5. Second column is 7, 8, 9. And third column is also 7, 8, 9. So are you able to observe some magic happening here? So we can say that since column number 2 is same as column number 3, therefore value of determinant delta will be 0. Okay, so therefore 9 into 0 will be 0, and this is the same as right hand side. So पूछा था कि this determinant is 0, prove करो without expansion. So we are able to prove without expansion. So थोड़ा सा कभी कभी इसमें mind लगाना पड़ सकता है, but you know it is to be practiced so that you can understand. So are you clear about question number 3? Yes or no? You can raise your hand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us go through question number 2. So in question number 2, I have a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, then b minus c, c minus a minus b, then c minus a, चक्कर आ जाएंगे थोड़े, a minus b and b minus c. Now देखो a b b c a c, अगर लेट से इन तीनों को अगर हम ऐड करते हैं a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a, तो क्या होगा? 0 हो सकता है. तो I will write like this कि row number 1 will change to row number 1 plus 1 time of row number 2 plus 1 time of row number 3. ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. It is not necessary कि एक ही रो का ऐड करना है. You can have simultaneous, वरना 2 स्टेप में करना पड़ेगा. रो 1 प्लस रो 2, फिर जो आएगा उसमें रो 3. सो ये एक साथ आप कर सकते हो, रो 1 प्लस रो 2 प्लस रो 3. सो हियर रो 1 विल चेंज. सो 2 and 3 में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. सो b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c. अब यहां पर a minus b प्लस b माइनस सी प्लस c माइनस a, मैं एक लिख देता हूं. चलो a माइनस b प्लस b माइनस c प्लस c माइनस a. So what will happen? bb, cc, AA will get cancelled. Similarly, here also B minus C. So B and minus B, C and minus C, A minus A will get cancelled. So here and here you will get 0. So ultimately it is 0, 0, 0, B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus